The 46,000% juggernaut lost 33% yesterday, the 18th of June 2025. Yeah, it has gained over 46,000% since this year 2025. Yeah, so the folks at Group Focus are saying, yeah, it's just reminding us about that. You know, obviously the company hasn't posted anything in terms of revenues. As a matter of fact, the company is a Chinese biotech company um, running trials on therapies for ADHD, autism, and COVID 19. They raised a sufficient amount of cash between 2022 and 2024. And yes, it is that low float that they have that has fueled much of that 46% it has gained this year. And of course, you know very well that they did a stock split 38 for 1. And on that day, it ran up again of 283% and got around 10 halts on that day as well. And still went on after that to, print higher prices. We saw 98.75 on days after, yeah, 98.75. We had on the day that split occurred, we had projections. I think we were somewhere around after that split, we were somewhere around 53, $50. The sort of same sort of price we were at right now. We saw it blast towards obviously you can see 98.75. As a matter of fact, we actually saw on one of the charts that there is a projection of 442.88 dollars. I don't You can't rely on that at all. You cannot rely on that. So the people who are behind this pump, they are, I mean, never count them out. Don't count them out. They are still willing to, I mean, go based on what we have seen, they're still willing to keep the stock going. They're still willing on to keep the stock going. I can't guarantee that with this 33% decline that it's a buy the deep opportunity. I really can't, say that it is. It's up to you to decide if you want to get involved and, buy this deep. So we're still maintaining our projections. But before we remind you about our projections on the daily chart we have here on this 4 hour chart, we have a downward projection of we have a downward projection of 20.66 and then an upward projection. You can see that here, 439.57. Yeah, 439.57. This is on its 4 hour chart. Just going by what the stock has done, I think the algos are expecting that the algos are convinced that the pumpers behind the stock are still going to do more. This is its daily chart. We have a downward projection only of 54.03, nothing upwards. Let's see now. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. Does it have enough data? On the weekly chart, what do we have? We have no, it doesn't have. It has a downward projection of 0.4470. So it has a very, very, very diverse range of projections. If you combine the stuff you see on the weekly chart or all the way to the hourly charts. So here on the same thing as well. On the 3 hour chart, we have a downward projection of 20.66, upper projection of 439.57. Lower prices are extrapolated for the 3 period moving average. I think that's also what we saw in the 4 hour chart. Let's have a look. Yes, lower prices are expected to keep laying out on the all the way towards Monday the 30th of June, and maybe it might begin to pick up. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. I don't think it will be out of place as well for the stock to retrace and then maybe begin to spike again. We saw it. We saw something like that, something close to that. We got a rejection at 24.01, and then contracted, had a distributive contraction for this was on the 30th of May, had a distributive contraction all the way towards 16th of June. So that was, if you like, almost 2 weeks. Yeah, almost 2 weeks. Yeah, of 2 weeks, two calendar weeks, maybe up to 10 trading sessions. Yeah, but we can't rely on that. We can't. The fact that it did that before does not mean that that will be what will happen again. So let's look at the 2 hour chart and see. So we also have a distributive contraction as well. Projections, we have 94.51 and 20.66. I think has already printed the price above 94.51. So the probability of it printing 94.51 is most certainly there. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have lower prices being extrapolated as well. Let's see what the projections are saying. We have all of them are downward projections. We have 24.79, 33.58, 47.79. Yeah. So the market is closed for today. Today's a holiday in the US. So yeah, see what you make of RGC. Our projections, we had 44.51, 47.38, 49.44, 50.70, 83.97. Yeah, and we saw 442.88. It's currently different now. It's 439 or something like that. Yeah, just it's fascinating to watch the stock. It's just fascinating to watch. That's all I can say. I'm not advising you to buy. I'm not advising you to buy the stock or get involved in it. It's yeah, yeah. Once again, just see what you make of the stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.